Hi, I had a few questions about how to create a custom grid for trig functions for exams. Now, there's lots of ways you can do it. I'm going to use Desmos. That's my favorite because I find it the easiest, but you could also use GeoGebra or Autograph. Autograph gives you a lot more settings, so you can be a lot more customized. With Desmos, you have to bootstrap it a little bit. So click on Start Graphing, and you can use Desmos for anything that is linked to functions. So the first thing you're going to do is you click on the spanner there in the top right-hand corner. We're going to look specifically at trig, so I'm going to change to degrees for South African schools. And then I need to change my x-axis. Now I'm going to do it from, let's make it 210 minus 210 to 390. I always do it slightly bigger than what I actually want. And I want it in steps of 90. Let's make my y-axis from, let's say I want it from -2 to 2, so I'm going to do -3 to 3, and I want it in steps of 1. So there's a few other settings I can play with now. I can take the grid away. I can add some arrows, which I'm not going to do. You're going to see why now. I can take the numbers away and the grid. I can take the minor grid lines away. That's what I normally do. So now, just to check, I can type in a trig function and it will work perfectly. But now I want to empty graph. So what I'm going to do is I can take this away if I want the full screen. Go to snipping tool, a new snipping tool, and now you'll see why I made my range domain slightly bigger, because there's all this stuff on the outside that I don't want to include. So I'm just going to cut the part I want. Just make sure I've got -2 to -180 to 360 here. In snipping tool, go to edit, copy, go over to Word, paste it, and now I can crop it a little bit more to suit what I want. Don't want it to go too far here. Okay, maybe I would like it to be a bit more square. It's easier to draw. Can make it a bit bigger. And yeah, I still want axes with arrows. So I'm going to go to Insert, Shapes, find a line with 2 arrows. Just draw it on top of my x-axis and we'll make it slightly bigger. Get it straight here. And there you go. And then I can just do the same thing. See if I can get it straight. Do the same thing here. And just to make things a little bit, there, I've now messed it up again. So getting straight lines, I actually prefer PowerPoint to get my lines straight. It's much easier. And there you have your graph or your grid for your exam. It's as easy as that.